So, hello students, welcome back to Social Scholar with Muskan ma'am. Today we are covering class 11 Political Science chapter 2 Rights in Indian Constitution जो है बहुत important for your exams. But first, please like this video, subscribe to our channel और bell icon को दबाना ना भूलें. So now, what are rights? Rights are reasonable claims that are recognized by society और जो state द्वारा enforce किए जाते हैं. Now, rights in the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution guarantees various types of rights to ensure liberty, equality, fraternity and justice amongst all its citizens. Now, it comes with its key features which says rights are not absolute. Rights के साथ साथ there are few restrictions. When we say we have this particular right, it comes along with few restrictions which a citizen needs to follow in society. Other than that, our constitution gives us 6 fundamental rights in part 3, article 12 to 35 और ये है justicable. First is right to equality, article 14 to 18. This means सभी लोग equal हैं law के सामने. Article 14 says equality before law, article 15 prohibits discrimination और article 17 abolishes untouchability. Second is right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. Article 19 gives us 6 freedoms जैसे कि speech, movements और assembly. Article 21 is super important which is right to life and personal liberty. यह सबसे fundamental right है. Third is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24. This protects against human trafficking or child labor. Fourth is right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. India is secular, तो आप any religion को follow कर सकते हैं. Fifth is cultural and educational rights. Article 29 and 30. This protects minorities की languages और culture. Sixth and most important is right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called it heart and soul of constitution as this is the right which protects our all above rights. Through article 32, you can directly approach Supreme Court अगर आपके rights violate हों तो. Supreme Court can issue 5 types of writs mentioned above. Now let's talk about directive principles part 4 article 36 to 51. यह है non-justicable. Non-justicable means you cannot go for these to the court लेकिन ये government के लिए guideline है. Finally, we have fundamental duties in article 51A. Total 11 duties हैं जो every citizen को follow करनी चाहिए. These duties were added by 42nd Amendment in 1976 or 11th duty was added by 86th Amendment in 2002. Remember students, rights or duties are two sides of same coin. दोनों equally important है. The example is given on your screen. The right to freedom of speech, it comes with certain duties as well. For example, you have right to speech, but you have to make sure that आपका right to speech का जो right है वो किसी और के sentiments को hurt ना करे. Now, on the screen you can see there are some important case studies and landmarks which are very important for your exam point of view. Menka Gandhi versus Union of India, Keshwanand Bharti case. Now, Keshwanand Bharti case 1973 is very important as under this case it was decided that the basic structure of the constitution cannot be changed. It can only be get amended. Then Minerva Mills case and Vishakha versus state of Rajasthan. Then there are certain important exam points which you need to get remember. So students, this was your complete guide to write in Indian Constitution. For exams, remember 6 fundamental rights with article numbers, directive principles की nature और 11 fundamental duties. If this video helped you, please like, share और comments में बताएं what other topics you want me to cover. Next video में we will cover election and representation. Until then, keep studying and stay motivated.